Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto on AXI Broker. For this, first of all, we go to symbols and then you will see here the symbols that we can trade. So if we go right here to crypto CFD1, you can decide here the crypto that you want to buy, or at CFD2. You have a lot of options, but we will keep at CFD1. So let's say we want to buy Bitcoin. So what we're gonna do is we have right here Bitcoin to US dollars. Then you need to click right here on show, and then you will see the Bitcoin to US dollars standing right here on your symbol list, your watch list. Then we click this away, and now we throw this to the chart. So we know exactly that we are having Bitcoin right here. Then we click here on new order, and now you will see this order right here where we can decide how much we will buy. So let's say we want to buy 0.01, that is fine for now. And then what you also can do right here is create a stop loss or a take profit if you want to do that. Select right here your order type, so market execution is fine. And now we click here on buy, and now you see that our trade right there is successful. So if we now scroll down, you will find right here the order that we just did. And this is how you can buy crypto on AXI Broker. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.